Ito yung bumungad sa akin. Queensland Government Infringement Notice. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Wave. Say hi everyone. Wave. Wave. It's currently 12:05 in the afternoon. Ay, basa-basa anak. I just changed your shirt. Ayaw, basa-basa. Nandito kami ngayon sa Newstead because dinala namin yung car natin dito for its first servicing. So, yung sasakyan natin, di ba? Hala, anak ko! Hala, nagbasa-basa na akong alakis. So, binili natin yung car natin last year, June. Oh, and dapat sana i-service ng Nissan for 1K na takbo na sasakyan. But you know what? It's already 7,000 kilometers at hindi pa rin siya napapacheck. So, binook namin siya for today. Dinrap namin ni Baby Celine kanina at 10 o'clock in the morning. So, ngayon lang kami nag-vlog. What did you do? Halika. And then, matatapos daw around 12 o'clock. So, tapos na siguro yun now. Pero, sabi nila, hindi naman kailangan na i-pick up talaga siya kaagad by 12 o'clock. Kasi, mag-close sila. Oh, Josh, here you go. Mag-close sila ng 5 o'clock. So, we can pick it up anytime before 5 p.m. And then, so, ayun. So, i-check nila yung sasakyan natin. Just making sure everything is fine. For us naman kasi, there's no issue with the car. But then, you know, it's still good. Naipa-service. And then, you know, change oil and all that kind of jazz. So, and also, malapit ito sa workplace ni Daddy Mike. So, ngayon, 12 o'clock, hinihintay lang namin yung time. Maglalakad kami ni Baby Celine papunta doon kung saan nag-work si Daddy Mike, yung office niya. And, oh, shush. Kasi, magla-lunch kami together with Daddy Mike at 1 o'clock. At ito siya, very sleepy na rin, kaya tingnan nyo. Oh, they can see your face. Oh, you're saying what? Hey. No. Yes. 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 Akala ko nga guys na yung first servicing is free. But I think yung 1K is free. But this one is, may charge na siya. $237 in charge. Ay. Okay, we're going now. So, nandito kami sa, anong tawag nila dito eh? Homemaker, the Valley. Here, oh, you wanna watch Mama's phone? And then we can go see Daddy. I have to see Daddy soon. See, it's nearly 1 o'clock. Yeah, watch Mama's phone. So, nag-ano kami ni Baby Celine. Pumunta kami ng shops dyan before kami pupunta kay Daddy Mike. So, ito yung nabili namin. Actually, guys, alam nyo ba, itong sinusuot ni Baby Celine ngayon ay binili ko dyan sa TK Maxx kasi bumili kami ng ano kanina, ng hot chocolate. Tapos, tingnan nyo ang kanyang pants. Naanuhan ang kanyang pants. So, hindi pa naman ako nagdala ng extra. Oh. There you go. So, ayan. TK Maxx Big Box. Binihan ko siya ng laruan. Ayan. Mamaya ko natin ibigay sa kanya. Kasi mahirapan na maglalakad kami. Tapos, socks for Ate Paris. And also, some lip balm for Ate Paris. Because you know how much she loves all these girlies. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung binili namin doon, guys. Tapos, maglalakad na kami ngayon. Ito yung pa-outfit ni mami nyo. Kita ba siya? Oop. Ayan. So, naka-skirt ang lola nyo today. And then, white crop top. Then, that's Baby Lini. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? There you go. bigay sa kanya kasi makatulog na yan siya very soon. Let's go! Ito yung ano nila dito. Mga ano sila, mga gamit sa bahay. Yan. Mga furniture, mga basta kung anik-anik. Alright, let's go my love. Nakakalabas lang namin from the shops. Yan yung shops na pinasukan namin. Homemaker, the Valley. And then, that's Daddy's office there. That building. So we're just going to cross this road. Punta tayo sa daan na yun, oh. Diyan. Actually, I will cross the road there, I think. Which one is easier? Ay, dito. Nag-stop kami sa grocery store para bumili ng strawberries for Celine. Ang mahal ng strawberry nila, guys, ha? $6 ito siya. There you go. Yum? Pick this up? Tutulog dito siya maya-maya konti, guys. Kasi very sleepy na yan siya. It's already 12:30. Yum? Yum, yum? Look. Look at Lini. Is it? Show me your face. Show me your strawberry face. Tumpa, oh. Sobrang busy nila dito, guys. Daming tao. So we'll meet Daddy here. Sabi ni Daddy may punta sa entrance ng kanilang office, but yan, ano biya ang ating mukha, biya guard over salsa. Alam niyo ba, guys, ay nahihiyang talaga ako doon sa ginagamit ko na sa aking mukha ba, kasi hindi na talaga ako nag-makeup, hindi na ako naglalagay ng mga foundation or anything like that. Paglabas ko ng bahay, ay hilamos, tapos lagay ng mga chichi-blichi sa aking mukha, tapos sunscreen lang, guys, ganyan. Hindi na kailangan na makeup, and I'm very happy with it. Nako, hindi siya bulingit tingnan. She's trying to catch the bird. Stay here, anak. Just waiting for Daddy to come out. Oy, kadugay ni Daddy, oy. Mumo na sad kanak. Mumo na ba nito, nabungi na, oh. She loves walking now very much. Yes? Walk everywhere. Can you call Daddy?
Dad.
Say Daddy.
Daddy.
Daddy, where are you?
Dad.
Huh?
Dad.
Say Daddy.
Dad.
Yeah, I know.
Daddy.
I know. Doon yung aming pram, oh. Ay, hindi naman maiwan-iwan. We'll go back and get the pram first. And we'll wait for Daddy here, okay? Nagkita rin. Oh, ay gosh, bulingit nga bata. Ay, bulingit mo na yung bata ni Mama. I don't push it high because she fell down there.
No, it's a blood.
No, not all blood. That's strawberry. But yeah.
You been a good girl?
Daddy. Yeah, we're gonna go.
Where do you want to go?
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet as taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses.
now. Service. Sobrang maambon today. Oh. Get it here. Tinawagan nila ako kanina pa na ready na daw yung aking car. So, time check is 2:10 ata. We're picking up Ate Paris now. Say hi, Ate Paris.
Miss Marie, is that Miss Marie?
Say hi. Yes, that's Miss Mary. Oh, oy, careful, anak.
See?
How's your day, Ate? Good? Alang, isa oh. Nak, dali kayo may labot, anak. Dali na, ate, nak. Uy! Yeah, we'll break that one. La, Ate Paris, I can see you. Ate Paris, I can see your undies, nak. Ayaw, nak. Ayaw, nak.
Mommy, look.
Tanawa ang simod, guys. Oh, namumo.
Looks like Justine.
Wow, yeah.
This is me, Dada.
You. Who's that, nak?
It's me, look.
Who's that? Ate Paris, you were still tiny then, nak, when you started. Have a look. So tiny, so tiny. Now you're a big girl.
Yeah, I'm bigger.
It's good kasi meron silang ganyan, guys. Oh, like, they keeping. Anak ko! Baby, welcome to Kindy, Paris. See, yung mga ginagawa niya.
No, that's for mine.
So cool.
Mommy, sign up from Paris. That's me, and where's the other page I was looking at?
La. Ay, di, lagi ka manglabot eh. Come on na, we have to go. We have to go to the post office. The post office will close soon. Ay, masuko na yun. Ay! Hi guys, time check. It's 4:30 ng hapon. Kakauwi lang namin. Hello. Kakauwi lang namin sa bahay. What have you got there, anak?
Oh, you're so
Alam niyo ba, na-stress si Lola niyo, guys. Oh my goodness. So, pagkarating namin dito, kaagad, sinito yung aking...
I'm taking care of this baby.
Is that your baby?
She's so cute. She's sick. She's sick.
Is she?
Yeah.
Chinek ko kaagad yung mailbox natin.
Mommy?
And alam niyo ba, yung natanggap natin, oh my goodness, nakatanggap tayo ng
doctor
very,
said
very
to go
bad
straight to bed.
news sa ating
So I have to
mailbox
get
today.
those.
So, kapag nakatanggap na ito, guys, ay
Mommy, I want to go to the house.
nag-worry na ako kaagad. So, pagka-open ko, ay totoo naman talagang kailangang mag-worry. So, in-open ko, at ito yung bumungad sa akin. Queensland Government Infringement Notice. So, oh my God. Goodness gracious. Seriously. So, ito yung first na fine na natanggap ko dito sa sa Queensland. So, may pictures sila, guys. Ayan, oh. So, ang sinabi dito, yung offense ay driving with passenger not wearing seatbelt properly or not adjusted or fastened. So, Daddy Mike's like this. So, andyan yung seatbelt. Merong seatbelt, guys, pero hindi nakaano dito. Kasi alam niyo ba, guys, merong rason yan kung bakit yung seatbelt ni Daddy Mike ay nandyan sa, sa gilid. Kasi, nung time na yun, nung pauwi kami from, ito yung sa Gold Coast, kung pumunta kami nung farewell party ng pinsan ko, nung nag-ano kami sa boat, yung mini cruise. Ayun, so gabi na to siya nung pauwi kami from Gold Coast. Ano itong ating baby Celine, alam nyo naman, sobrang layo ng biyahe. Agay, ate, my hair, ate, agay. Sobrang layo ng biyahe, guys. Ano itong isa ay paiyak-iyak. So si Daddy Mike ay chine-check niyang ganun sa ang tawag dito, parang ginagano niya yung seatbelt para tingnan si baby Celine sa likuran or give her something para hindi siya umiyak, ganun. So ngayon, yun talaga, super timing talaga ng kanilang yun talaga yung nakita ng kanilang camera. Sabi 7:28 ng gabi, Pacific Motorway Upper Comera. Ayan, so sabi dito, oh my God, demerit points. 4. So naanuhan pa yung license ko nito, guys. Tapos ito pa, amount due, $1,078. Pay by 1st of November 2022. This is your first and only notice. Pay now to avoid additional fees. Oh, goodness. Ayan, sa likuran, how you can pay it. Nominate the driver online. Complete the statutory declaration. We don't need this because I was driving. Just that. Yung seatbelt. Sinend ko kay Daddy Mike. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, we will contest it. Kasi, hindi naman sa hindi talaga sinuot yung, yung seatbelt. Hindi lang talaga siya over dito yung sa kabila. Kasi, yun na nga, Daddy Mike was checking Celine. Oh my God. Problema na naman. Goodness gracious. Paano na to, anak? Ang mahal-mahal pa naman. Agoy, anak ko. Mahal-mahal pa naman, guys. $1,000. Ay, sumasakit na naman ang ulo ko. Nangangati yung ulo kong hindi makati. Ay, baby, open this one, babe. What's this one, babe? Oh, this is Mama's. Ano din? Tanggap natin sa Melbourne. Contact lenses ni Mami. Oh well. I was waiting for this. I was very excited for this. And now, parang nawala yung aking gana, guys, dahil dito sa ating natanggap. My God, $1,000. So, infringement notice, 1,078. Kapag yan di nabayaran by the 1st of November, enforcement order. May additional na $73.80. Tapos, after that, state penalties, additional na naman na $123.65. Magiging 1 million na yung babayarin. Not paying for this. We will contest this, guys. We'll keep you updated. We'll see kung anong mangyayari dito sa infringement notice na to. Paalam namin sa inyo kung anong magiging kalabasan niya. Okay, anak. Okay, alright. Ayan. So, kakauwi lang. Maglilinis muna kami ng bahay, guys. Yan, kalat-kalat. Maaga kaming umalis kayo ng umaga. Change Celine's nappy, actually. We'll change your nappy. Ling. Ang simod, guys. So, tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, namo mo, oh. Oh, no. Yes! That's you, yeah.